Hey there, good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna share with you some of my recipes for breakfast. Yeah, okay. So this one we're gonna be making this one with oats. I have my oats, my ingredients are just basic oats. You could use rolled oats. I have eggs, I have some pepper for spice, I have paprika, I have some tomatoes, some onion. Of course, you could use capsicum if you want. Anything you want at all, yeah. So chop off all your ingredients that needs to be chopped up, and add them to the eggs, the salt. Just season your eggs as you would like to, because get it all spicy as you want. Mix aside and keep. Now you're gonna strain out your oats, because I soaked that oats in water. Okay, so strain out your oats. The soaking actually helps if you always feel bloated. Yeah, I added an extra egg because I wanted it to be a little bit fluffy and have some air in there. Heat your pan up, add some oil, pour it in, and guess what we have there? We have an omelette, right? But this one oats, yeah. So we have oat omelette. Toss it on both sides, and that looks like a mini pizza there. It's really good, very filling too. You should try it. It's crispy on the outside and a little chewy on the inside. The thinner the batter, the better. So for our next recipe, I'm going to be trying some chickpea salad, and this is like a Mediterranean salad. I found this recipe off of Pinterest. I'm just going to try it real quick. You just need some chickpeas. Please ensure to soak these chickpeas overnight. I could not, so I had to do this quick method where you heat up the chickpeas, let them cook for like 5 minutes, turn down the heat, cover the pot, allow it to simmer in there for like an hour or an hour 30 minutes. And while my chickpeas were cooking, I just had to chop off all my ingredients, yeah, for the Mediterranean salad. So let's enjoy the video. You just see me chopping off things, yeah. So the reason I have this tomatoes separated is because I want to wash them and take out all the seeds, because we don't need that. Okay. Yeah. So that's why. So after taking out all the peels from the chickpeas, I just washed it, and then I had to eat some toast because you guys, I was starving. And then I just boiled back the chickpeas. This time I'm just cooking it for like an hour. Okay, so this is why I said you have to soak it overnight. You wouldn't do all this excessive cooking if you soak it overnight. Yeah. And then I just poured that into the mix. I added in some cooked sausages because I'm obsessed with sausages. Guys, look at how good this looks. Look, this was just a bowl of crunchy yumminess, goodness at its peak. You should give the salad a try. Oh my god. So I just took the ration I was gonna eat. I finished this the whole day. You could always serve it up later as a snack. You can add it to your meal or something. So I'm gonna just sprinkle my dressing in there. You can serve it as a side dish to your rice and stew and sauce or something. But this right here tasted so good. It had a lot of flavors in there. The heat from the chili habanero was a hit. Then the sauce and the flavor from this 100. Let's go to the next recipe. I'm just gonna make it another very quick salad. Yeah, you guys, I'm obsessed with salad, so yeah, it's like one of my favorite healthy breakfast recipes. So get into it, yo. Okay, but this is a chicken salad. This is like a chicken salad. So yeah, get into it. Okay, so I mean, gone are the days when I never know what to eat, and now I can literally whip up any kind of meal with just anything around the kitchen. Yeah, because I get so easily bored with food, so I'm always looking for new ways to try out new different recipes so I don't get tired and starve. So if you're like me, then just use how to take things around the house and just make them work. Yeah, so I have some lettuce, some cucumber, I have some bell peppers in here, I have some tomatoes, some chili habanero, chicken, and of course I still have some of my leftover chickpeas, because you could actually make a large portion of those and then freeze them, yeah, for when you need it again. So enjoy the recipe. I'll just stop talking. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, look at how good this recipe is. I finished the entire bowl, and I think I didn't have another meal up until 6 p.m. because I was so full. Like these are really healthy meals that you need to try this season, seriously, if you want to spice things up a little bit. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment on which of these recipes was your favorite. I'll see you in the next one.